Hi, Nazife. Thanks for saying you'll have a little chat. So I sort of wanted to talk about your learning and your experience over the last few years. When did you first join one of the Adult Learning Wales classes?
I joined before 3 years when I go in my register because I have learned online classes.
Oh, you started with online classes?
Yes, then after COVID I come because Dion was small and they said me to came here to Adult Learning Wales in family learning because we have childcare for the baby to look after.
Yes, I think I remember when you first came.
Yes, and it's very helpful because I can learn quiet. Dion can play and I can learn.
Yeah.
And I improved much my English.
You've improved amazingly. I think what I found so special about you is every week, even in the rain, you know.
If it's rain, if it's snowy, I can because I don't want to miss any lesson.
Yeah, I mean, your attendance is, apart from maybe when you had a Home Office interview, is 100% over 2 years with me. And the way you have progressed and learnt and improved your English.
Yes, and that is improved much. Now I can leave my appointment in a GP, I can call, I can explain to doctor what I have. If I lost someone else, I can ask anybody to help me, I can ask for things.
That is just fabulous because I know when you arrived in Swansea, it was during lockdown.
I didn't know anything English when I came here, nothing. Just I see people and I didn't understand what they are saying. But now I can understand many things. I can speak, I can chat with people. And that is very helpful. And thank you very much.
Oh,
you are a wonderful teacher.
You've been, thank you. You've just been a pleasure to have, and that's why I wanted to do this interview. And it's lovely seeing Dion, your little boy.
Yes, and he's happy because he has many friends now when he's playing with children.
Yeah, because in lockdown he didn't really meet anyone, did he?
No. And it's very hard just to stay in house because my daughter is bigger.
Yeah.
And he can play it here.
So how would you say that coming to classes, it's obviously helped your English and you've made such good progress. How has it helped you in your mental health or just your general well-being?
It's very, very good because if I stay at home, it's very boring and I think too many things. If I have important appointment or something, I don't want to miss class because I came here, I learn and I focus to learn English and to meet people, to see the friends, and it's very easy to understand when I am here, I'm happy.
Yeah, and you've also made new friends, I think.
Yes, many friends now I have.
Not just Albanian friends.
No, and many friends from every different country.
Yeah, and I think that's so important.
It's very important, speaking, because I can practice speaking.
Yeah.
Yes, that is good.
Yeah. Oh, thanks so much.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye.